we are going to continue adding fractions or learning how to add fractions. Let us look again at the steps to success. Step to success number 1 says to look at the denominator. Right, so I'm looking at my denominators in the sum, 7 over 10 plus 4 over 5. And here I can see my denominators are not the same. So because I do not have a common denominator, or my denominators are not the same, I cannot just add my numerators. I have to do something else first. So if I look at step to success number 2, it says make sure the denominators are the same. Then it says what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So I have 7 over 10 and 4 over 5. I need to change these fractions so that my denominators are the same. You ask yourself, what can I do to make my denominators the same? I could make my denominators both 10, so that then I could add my numerators together. So I already have 7 over 10, so I don't have to do anything there. But to my 5, I have to change it to make it 10. To make 5 10, I have to times it by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. But now, like my steps to success say, what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So what I've done to the bottom, I've said 5 times 2 is 10. I have to also multiply the top by 2 to get 2, because what I've done to the bottom, I have to do to the top. If I multiply the bottom by 2 to get 10, I have to multiply my top by 2 as well. 4 times 2 is 8. So now I have a common denominator. I have denominators that are the same. Step to success number 3, add the numerators. So I can add my numerators now because my denominators are the same. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 over 10. Step to success number 4, simplify the answer. 15 over 10 is an improper fraction, and I know I can change it to be a mixed number. How many times does 10 go inside 15? Let's write my times tables to find out. 10, 20. So 10 goes inside 15 one time. So I take my numerator, which is 15, and I minus the answer. 15, I minus the answer of 1 times 10, which is 10. And my answer is 5. So it's 1 and 5 over 10. But am I finished? Or can I still simplify this further? 5 can go into 5 and it can go into 10. So my answer is 1. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 10 two times. 1 and 1 over 2 is my final answer after I have simplified.